How to use auto pick in FPL. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can use auto pick in FPL. Using auto pick in FPL is a quick way to generate a full 15 player squad instantly. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, launch the FPL application in your mobile device and log in into your account. If you are not registered yet, make sure that you create an account and then log in. Once you're on this page, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom, tap on the fantasy option. So once you land on this page, here at the top, there's an option to pick a team. So if you have not created the team, tap on pick a team option, and once you land on pick a team, you could navigate at the bottom or at the top of the screen where it says auto pick. So you have to tap on auto pick. Here I have already created a team, so I don't have that option, but if you are about to create a team, you will have an option as auto pick. Tap on it either from the bottom or top of the screen. Then FPL will automatically select a 15 player squad for you, keeping within your budget, squad formation rules, and max 3 players club. Then you could always edit or replace any of the players afterward the auto pick. So that's it. That's how you can use auto pick in FPL, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.